Okay. Okay. All of it is okay. I guess there's nothing then. Explaining the roles. This he is just carrying bags for him for this. Yeah. And he's carrying them. So basically the same, but this time you see this box that I'm carrying that I just put up. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna use. Like he needs it, and he will put it here. And yeah. So the crates have wood, so that's why. Okay, that's all the rules. Let's start now. Just carrying like the boxes like every day. Okay, so I just put that. Great. I'm gonna pick it up. Even though it's gonna take long. Yeah. Okay, finally got the last bottle before I'm kind of finished. Yes. Okay, time for okay, so now I'm just go. Okay. Wait, what? Oh wait. No, bro, I made a mistake. There was actually a hole. Wait, no. Oh no, wait. What the hell? Wait, no. Oh, wait, no. Oh, what the hell just happened? What happened? Wait, what happened? Someone call 911. Oh. Wait, I forgot. I broke one of the things. Bro. No, what? My legs. No. Why? What is happening right now? Wait, what? Ah! What? Wait, it can't be possible. Wait, what? No. Wait, bro. Wait, I gotta get up over the tower. Bro. No. Oh my god. Wait, no, wait, like what the fuck? Oh, that glass. Ow. Construction site accident.